Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how to initiate employee confirmation within the employee directory in KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the employee directory, he or she can click on the Quick Actions drop-down and select Initiate Employee Confirmation option. Here, the employee ID or name of the person for whom the confirmation from the probation period is to be made can be entered. Once the details of the same are fetched, the reason for action can be logged and all the other details can be mentioned. Once all the mandatory fields are filled, the confirmation of the employee can be initiated and it is reflected in the system successfully. Thank you for watching.